I say the victim is here, okay? The first thing we have to check is that Armin, and we check the ears or hair to place. The fingers or the, okay? If he doesn't respond, we have to make sure about the mouth. We open it, okay? If I see anything, maybe he's eating something and the hunger is here, okay? We have to do that. Where's the hair? The hair is that the left side, okay? We don't put in this. We don't put in this in the right hand, okay? The left hand, sorry. We have to put it in the right, okay? This is right, yes. I am here, but you have to do it fast, not slowly, okay? This is right. We have to do that. One, first. Look, there's no need to be laughing. One, two, okay? And we have to, and during this technique, we have to make a calling friends. Listen, we have to calling the nearest person to me. For example, any teacher is here, or and don't close the line. You put the line here, the mobile here, and you have to give the information. I am in the grade 6A. We have the victim, and the place is like that. You have to send information to him, and we will not closing the mobile till the helper is come. Okay? So I did that because in the first lesson you have to do that. And the second one, look, my fingers were. You have to raise his head because why? To make a straight to his airway. Okay? You can see. Okay. Look at the head. You have to put your fingers under the head and to make a straight because you don't know, maybe something is hung out in the airway here, okay? And we open it, then you have to wash it till to take him to the hospital, okay? This is the first lesson you have to do it. Who can do it now? Thank you.